Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your social media applications without being able to search them directly. On my previous two videos, I taught you how to hide them via focus mode, how to hide them via home screen of manual way. However, with those two methods, you can still search them up on this app library search option right there, right? Now I'm going to teach you how to do that or how to hide them without being able to search it up right away, okay? That being said, please pay attention to this app right here. I just want to show you a little bit of information. For example, I'm going to show you Snapchat, and as you can see on Snapchat right there, there is an age restriction that says age 12 and above years old only, right? Now that being said, that is a helpful way for us to restrict or hide applications. How can we do that? We're not going to install any third-party application, but simply go to settings right there and hover it down a little bit until you see screen time. This one right here, okay? Once you have screen time opened up, click on turn on screen time, set up later or rather turn on screen times. Click on it, this is my iPhone, and then wait for it to load. As you can see here, there is an option that says content and privacy restrictions, and then click on allowed apps right there. But first make sure this is toggled up, and then content restriction, give it a second to load. And then from here on out, as you can see, there is applications right here. Give it a second till right there, it's giving up on and off, so click on apps right there and make sure that the applications you download are hidden or not. Make sure they're 12 and up or 9 and up. It's really up to you guys what to choose here. It's really up to you. For example, you want to help your kids learn or restrict your kids from using their phones, simply enable their screen time. Basically, the applications, especially social media applications, will not be searched up or will be hidden on a specific time. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and this is how you hide your social media applications or rather applications that has age restrictions on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.